this is how you're going to know if, okay, this is still a perpetual problem, or, oh no, this has already gotten into gridlock. But again, don't worry. We're going to figure that out here tonight together. So I'm going to list the 4 characteristics of how you will know if it's gridlocked already, okay? So again, write it down. The first thing, you've had the same argument again and again and again without a resolution. That's characteristic number 1. Remember, what we're trying to do here is navigate your perpetual problems, the over and over and over and over again problems, to make sure that it does not get into gridlock. Because gridlock is when you are in a situation where no progress can be made. So that's characteristic number 1. Characteristic number 1 is you've had the argument over and over again and again, and it remains without resolution. Number 2, neither of you can address the issue without humor or empathy or affection. You're just stone cold. Number 3, the issue has become increasingly opposing as the time has gone on. So maybe in the beginning, you guys weren't too far apart, aka perpetual. But because it does not get resolved, it pushes you to further and further away, and now gridlock. And finally, the last one, compromise seems impossible. And this is what I've heard from you guys during this week. You know, when I was talking about, hey, we're going to navigate some problems, I had some of you message me, Amanda, but is there a compromise? Can I get through this crazy man? Can I get through this crazy woman? Yes, you can. With God helping us, we can. Now, I'm going to give you a few steps. So we're going to start with step number 1. Here we go. First, what I want you to do is I want you to grab your computer paper. This is what we're always using, computer paper. And I want you to make a line down the middle. And on one side, I want you to put perpetual problems. And on the other side, I want you to put gridlock problems. Remember the 4 characteristics of gridlock. So perpetual and then gridlock. And maybe you're going to see that, let's say, maybe one of your perpetual problems was you wanted to adopt, your husband did not. But over time, the perpetual became the gridlock problem. So it's going to be interesting for you to see this as well.